Welcome back. Another box, another day. I swear, I don't usually buy this much stuff, but Christmas is coming and I needed to get some Christmas presents, and I found something that I thought we might find interesting, so let's dive in. One moment, let me get this open. So I do have some Christmas presents in here that I can't show you guys, not yet. So I'm gonna scoot those out of the way. If you're super curious what I bought, send me a message on Instagram and I will definitely show you what I got. A little sticker, everything packaged with care. This could be like, what's that stuff called? Garland for the Christmas tree. Let me get out what we got to share together. And then that way we're not spoiling anybody's Christmas. First off, I got two of the beautiful purple shimmery tins. Oh, that's noisy. I just thought they were super pretty and, you know, they were different than the regular silver ones. I got these for free. Next up, I got Butterfly Jasmine. Yeah, I'm excited to see how I like David's tea, Butterfly Jasmine. Yeah, it's a green tea and they're shaped in little butterflies. Like they're folded up, so I used a redemption on these ones. Got myself some Santa's Secret. I love Santa's Secret. I get it every year. They call it a festive peppermint treat. So it's black tea, peppermint, and then maybe like a bunch of sugary stuff. I really enjoy this all year long. This I will get a lot more of before it disappears for the season. Then I got Headache Halo. I wanted to give this one a try. I haven't tried it. Rhubarb is what its main thing is. I'm not a really huge fan of that plant. Then it has some mint, lemongrass, willow bark, nettle leaves, lavender. Huge lavender fan. Passion flower, some vervain leaves, rose petals, and mallow blossoms. So I'm excited to see if this actually helps with headaches. Hopefully. Cool, soothing relief is what it says. So that's super exciting. All right, but what I really wanted to show you guys today is these. Have you guys seen these? They're called Matcha drops. And it looks like it's matcha pressed into little shapes. So the Christmas tree is maple matcha, the gingerbread man is gingerbread matcha or woman, and the snowflake is candy cane matcha. Let's see what it says for ingredients. So it sounds like it's the first ingredient is cane sugar for all of them, then matcha green tea, and then depending on which one, it's just different flavoring. Although the candy cane matcha has milk powder in it as well. Let's see. So it says, say hello to the perfect gift for the matcha obsessed. 3 finely ground green teas molded into fun festive shapes. Drop into hot water and froth. So we need 12 ounces of water, 1 matcha drop. The temperature is going to be 185 Fahrenheit or 85 Celsius. We need a whisk, and it says it's medium caffeine. I don't know. What do you guys think about these? Like, Let's clear this off, and we're gonna brew this up today. Let's get it going. Alrighty, which one shall we taste? Maple matcha, gingerbread matcha, or candy cane matcha? Let's try the gingerbread matcha. Trying to see how these guys actually come out. They're individually wrapped. They just pop right out of their little box. Now these, I did not see on the US website for David's Tea. I only saw them on the Canadian website. Okay, so I just got the kettle and had the temperature set to 185 degrees. It says 12 ounces of water. Typically you would only put in a little bit and then mix it up, but I'm not quite sure. Let's start out. Love this kettle. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm definitely gonna do a review of this kettle. Okay, try not to make a mess. Whoa, poor little gingerbread man broke right up. It says 12 ounces. That was 5. Jeez, this is a lot. I think I'm gonna start to mix it like this. And then we'll add the rest of the water. I'm actually I didn't expect it to break up so quickly, actually. Please don't judge my matcha skills. I'm not very good at it. Clearly I should have gotten a bigger bowl. Hopefully I don't make a mess. So this package, I'm totally making a mess. Like I had said, this package, so this package I didn't see on the US David's Tea website. I am really making a mess. So I'm in Canada, so I got it clearly on the David's Tea. I am horrible at this. I think I need a new bowl. 1 second. Okay, back with a bigger bowl. Hopefully we can do this. Pop that out. Okay, let's try again. So I got this on the Canadian website. This is working much better. It was $12 is the regular price, 12 Canadian dollars. So that's $4 for each one of these little molded matcha drops. Okay, I'm gonna add in the rest of the water. So that was 5 ounces the first time. This is 10 ounces. And they said 12 ounces. Ounces. Okay. I want to make sure that, you know, we're tasting it how the company recommends to have it. This is a lot of matcha. So $4 for each one of these drops. I mean, I got it on sale. Ugh, I keep making a mess. I'm so messy at this. Please feel free to judge my matcha skills. I'm not very good at it. Do you think we guys should do this? Or do you think we should just try to drink it out of the... We're gonna just try it. Giant mess. Clean up in aisle 3. All right, here we go. So this one is the gingerbread matcha drop. Made as directed, just not very well because it's me and I don't do this very well. Now remember, when I taste this, I am not a huge matcha fan, or I wasn't, but our taste buds all change all the time, which is the best part of my taste buds. It smells like grass. And like a hint of sweetness and like cookie. I think that if you like David's Tea like matchas, you'd probably like this, like if you like their flavored matchas. I'm not, you know, the biggest fan of anybody's matcha. I probably am more of a fan of just pure matcha than flavored matchas. So this is, it's okay. I would never voluntarily drink it. Meh. If I was super thirsty, I could down it. I do like the benefits of matcha. I like, you know, adding actual matcha into things. I used to, you know, way back when, in my, you know, late 20s, I would actually just take matcha and I would add it to like a shot of almond milk, and I would shake that up and just shoot it back every morning, and that's how I got through those years. So. Yeah, I'm just not a fan. There's like a weird taste to it, but like I said, I'm not a normal fan of this. But I want to know, have you guys had this? Would you try it? What are your guys' thoughts of like molded tea drops? All right, that's all for today. I'll meet you down in the comments. Until next time, take care. Bye. Nope. We'll just leave that there and just creep away.